welcome back to my channel. Right, today's video is going to be a bit of another random video. These two lovely ladies have basically volunteered to do the what is it called? The Somali challenge. The Somali challenge.
So what? Okay,
hold up. Save it for later. I'm going to be asking them questions because obviously my Somali is obviously way more advanced than theirs.
Oh, very much sweet.
No, I feel like these two are equally matched.
Hey, that's so insulting.
Hey.
Actually,
okay, so basically, I'm just gonna head behind screen because you don't want to see this, face.
You're right there. You're right there, face.
I can't even deal with the type of slay just going on right here. You're hit. I mean, like semi PJs, yeah. I love them. Anyway, guys, so that's over and out. But anyway, that's me done, and let's just get on with the video.
Oh my god, I'm gonna win. What you're gonna do?
Got it here.
Oh, okay. Alright.
Okay. So,
wait, who goes first?
Okay, basically, you need a buzzer. So make a buzzer noise.
Beep.
With your hand or something, with a gesture, with a hand gesture.
Why can't I say beep?
Okay, beep, and yours?
Boop. With your hand up.
No, like you have to make a noise.
Ding.
Like a signal of some
No,
sort.
listen.
Like a buzzer.
Can we just what do you call it?
Huh?
She has no imagination. Say ding. Or dong. I say dong, you say ding. Listen, I'm a 25-year-old, okay? I'm not gonna make all these funny noises.
She's 22 people. 22.
Carry on. Okay, carry on.
Go on.
I'm not gonna make a noise. I'll just whoever says it first. I'll put my hand up.
Oh my god, you're so okay, carry on, yeah. Okay.
I am not gonna make a noise.
Okay, so we have ding and this, okay? Okay, first we're doing words, okay? And then we're gonna move on to sentences and phrases, okay? So, can I have...
I'm nervous,
I'm gonna start easy and then build it up.
Okay,
so,
keep in mind, me and Ash don't have the same dialect.
Yeah, it's fine. That's
but I know all of her dialect, she doesn't know anything.
Okay,
yeah.
Okay.
I mean,
how do you say simple, like household item? Salt. Say it.
No! Or a spot.
Don't say that to me. That's just baby. Like, that's like...
This is not fair. Listen, okay, you know what?
Right, okay. How do you say?
Okay.
Cars.
Got it.
Okay.
I gave her that one.
Okay.
But
it's just cars, plural. I get it, yeah. Okay, remember, plurals and singular, yeah, keep that in mind. How do you say eggs? Asha. Okay.
And you need to go to bed, apparently. Like a bed that you sleep on. Bed, whatever. Okay, I'll go sleep now.
Why Somali? Why would you? Okay. How do you say, oh, these are so easy. Yeah. How do you say tomato? Asha.
Tomato. No, tomato. No, wait. Wait, I know this. Wait. No.
Say them.
Tomato. Tomato.
And the other one?
Is it yanyo?
Yeah.
No.
Say it better.
It's not yanyo. She said yanyo.
No, she said yanyo.
She said yanyo. Wallahi, she said yanyo.
Okay, say it again.
I said yanyo. I said yanyo. She said yanyo. No, I didn't.
You said with the answer.
No, I said yanyo.
Okay, we'll do it.
We can repeat the video,
We'll do it. You say, bra, Asha.
Registino. And Kishili or something.
Yeah, okay.
I remember this conversation. I think I know, but definitely. It was funny. Well, I was like, so what likes Kishili? I said, bra. She was like, Registino. I was like, what the heck?
Okay. And the last word is towel. Say it.
12. No.
And
Shukuman.
Okay, good. Right, okay. So now we're moving on to random sentence. How do you say sweep the floor, please? Aisha. Yeah?
Right? Like
say, could you please peel the potato?
Hey, hey.
You're slow. Oh my god, wait
Oh my
up.
god, potato كثير. potato كثير كنت.
Oh, it's a good. Okay, what else?
potato كثير.
And?
What do you mean?
And the other way to say it?
potato كثير. So aggressive. I don't know. Wait. Potato.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Say it.
baradada baradada ma goyni kartaa ina diyaarsid markaan
Say it once.
wait what's it baradada ego baradada hoy sayna leey masash ma goyni kartaa baradada masash ego iyo baradadana
عشا
دياري بردو ورا مستوي بردو I'm dying, wait.
No. Idil.
Oh! What? I should have said oranges. I should have thought of oranges. My head smells. I can't even say that. What's dill?
It means peel.
Dill.
How do you say, come downstairs, please? Asha?
What's imo? Chinchilla das so big.
Ha.
Yo, chinchilla das so tara. That's how I say it, right?
No.
Something like that.
It's kind of content.
Yeah, like
No.
Qosol dag. Qosol.
Ha. Shall Qosol dada.
Okay.
Okay. How do you say, could you please brush her hair? Okay, say it.
Timaheed ma u feeri kartaa, please. Timaheed ma u feeri kartaa oo timaheed ma u shilayni kartaa.
Ha. Okay. How do you say, my brother spilt tea on my homework and it's mess now? Say it.
Walaalkay int uu dibadin yahay uu idibaa.
Excuse me, I didn't get background.
Walaalkay shaquu schoolka shaqadayda. No wait, sorry. I need to think about it. Okay, walaalkay shaqada ku daadiyay casharkaygii ina imikana igu xumaaday.
Okay, and the other way of saying it?
Ina imikana igu halaaway. casharkaygii walaalkay wuu iga halaagsiiyey. Wait, what's the
my brother spilled some tea on my homework and now it's ruined. Almost.
walaalkay shaah buu iga daadiyay casharkaygii hadeertaana iga xumaaday.
Okay, but you're saying he spilled it from me.
No, iga daadiyay. Shaah buu daadiyay. Wuu ku daadiyay.
Ha, wuu ku daadiyay.
That's what I said.
Yeah.
No, I'm maxaan dhahay horta. walaalkay shaah buu ku daadiyay casharkaygii.
Ha, that's the.
Yeah, that's what I said. hadeertaana iga xumaatay.
Ha, okay.
So I got it right.
Yeah, you got it right into the.
Well, we said.
And finally,
and
finally, is introduce yourself in 30 seconds in Somali. What let me give you the key points, yeah? And after this, I'll tell you the winner. So, the first point is your name, your occupation, what you love and what you hate, and your favorite color. Go, Asha.
Okay, magacayga waxaa waay Caasha. Waxaan ahay ardayad jaamacad baa hadeertaan dhigtaa. Waxaan jeclahay my mom. I love you, mom. Shout out. Okay, I'm joking. What else?
Your favorite color and what you hate.
Hello, how are you? No, can we just cut that out and start? Magacayga waxaa waay Caasha, ardayd baa ahay jaamacad baa dhigtaa. Waxaan jeclahay hooyaday. What do I like?
Color.
My favorite color, my struggle is
no
real. Wait. I know this.
Say it.
No. Yeah.
Relax.
Oh, you okay, go on.
Wait.
Go on. I like
Colour.
it.
Colour.
Yeah.
Colour is colour, right? So, yeah.
No.
Okay, so, sorry. Okay, madow. Yeah, madow.
Huh?
Right, we'll chat lahay. No,
Okay.
wait, colour.
I've never ever
Rinchy.
colour is no, that's paint.
Just paint.
No, I genuinely think colour is colour. Who was colour cow? Okay.
Huh.
Well, colour
لون
had.
ka ugu jeclaa waxa waaye madow
Uh-huh.
waxaana jeclayn Zainab.
Okay.
Because I'm being her and saying that's
okay,
why.
fine, so wrap it
Guys,
up.
this is what you know.
No
That's
way,
what-
no way, no
Hey,
way. She did not.
magacayga waa Zainab Xasan waaye guriga dhinac baan ka jooga allay
Say that.
okay magacayga waa Zainab Xasan walaashayga magaceedu waa Nuqay Xasan
عندنا المفروض درسين سيدة.
dadna marmar waxay u bixiyaan
No,
Rocky.
but look, her grammar is so wrong.
Wait, okay.
Walaashay magacayga waxa waaye.
No, I did not say that. I didn't say that. Why? She always tries to make me sound like the biggest idiot. Okay, sorry.
Actually, don't interrupt her.
Okay, forget it.
Okay, allow me. Can I just not do that to you?
Okay,
You know what?
Hey, so magacayga waa Zainab. Waxaan jiraa 22 jir.
Qofka kuma weydiin.
waxaan jecel yahay colorka waxaan
Asha.
I can't even form a sentence because of Asha. Believe me. Sorry, that's it. I forfeit because
No,
it's your fault.
I'm trying
Okay.
to prove
I can
that
actually-
she did not actually beat me.
So guys,
Okay, no. If she thinks no.
There you go.
No. Hey, السلام عليكم waxay maateen shirkadii saacada habeenimada
You know what she
السلام عليكم waxay maateen barnaamijkii habeenimada saacadaha saddexda gabdhood loo bixiyo Ruqayya Sumeeya Caasha Aamina Safiya Maryam.
You said 3. I know. Anyway, we're gonna wrap it up.
Okay. Hey, listen.
No. So guys, I'm just gonna wrap this video up here. Oh my god, I'm just way too close to the camera. I can't. You guys move forward. So basically, yes, I'm gonna wrap it up. Comment below who you think did better at speaking Somali. Is it Asha over here?
Wallahi, you guys
Or is it-
understand. Asha cheated. I wouldn't even think because she can't speak Somali.
Or is it Zainab over here? So make sure you like, comment and subscribe for more videos. And I see you guys later. Bye bye. Much love. Peace out. And